Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to see backup photos in Google Photos. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Google Photos application and then click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, and then click on the Photos settings. Okay, and then now click on the backup. That's right. And then make sure that this switch is toggle on. Just click on that. And then you will then just have to close this one and then go to your web browser and then type out photos.google.com and then sign into your account. So as you can see, you could be able to see here now your backup photos in Google Photos. So that's it. Make sure to log into your account or sign into your account so you could be able to see your photos. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.